What is up, YouTube? I'm Scott Gordon, aka Papa G. The rooster's in the back with Zeus chilling in the sun. And today, there is no car show. It's a holiday season. We are going to show you how to cook a turkey. More than that, we're going to show you how to smoke a turkey on the old Pit Boss. I got it back here warming up, getting the temp just right, getting that smoke in there. And then we're going to throw a turkey on that sucker. And later on today, we're gonna chow down.
Like it fancy, I know what I want.
I bought a Butterball 5-pound turkey breast on the bone. We don't eat the legs or the wings, so why buy them? The Pit Boss is getting up to temperature. It's about ready to go. So what I have to season the bird with is some Pit Boss SPG salt, pepper, garlic mixture. Good stuff. Some Dolly Parton Stampede rub. It's for chicken, but it works great with the old turkey bird too. You're gonna have to trust me on that one. We love it. I got my bird. It's one of those turkey breasts that's on the bone. I put it in a little pie tin and I put 6 pats of butter in there in the bottom. As that butter melts while this cooks, it'll retain some of the moisture. I'll also use it as basting. So we got our rubs on the bird. We got a few thin spots. Once we get the bird on the grill, we'll hit them again. I'm going in with my SPG. I'm gonna hit it with that good Dollywood seasoning. Again, it's for chicken. It works great with this turkey. Put it on that side. SPG. Get it on there liberally. You're gonna want some flavor on this bird. Ain't nothing worse at Thanksgiving than biting into a dry, nasty. And with my grill, the heat's right here. I'm putting him over here to this side, or the temperature gauge is over here. I don't want to interfere with that. So to get a better reading, we got him right over here. He's gonna catch a lot of that smoke. We want all the smoke. And speaking of smoke, go to my channel and check out the country style cook-off I videoed. And some of the great car shows over the past couple of years. You won't be disappointed. We got this bird on here for 2 hours and we ain't gonna mess with him. He's running at about 250 degrees. So I got the lid shut. We're gonna leave him on there for 2 hours. I ain't gonna mess with him. I ain't gonna come look at him. Hopefully the dogs don't mess with him. And then when we come out here at that point, we'll go and stick meat probes in so we can get some temperatures. All right, y'all, we're back. It's been 2 hours. My timer went off. It's time to check this bird out and see how it's coming along. Oh, yeah. Boy, she's looking good. Nice and browning up. Skin's getting crispy. That butter down in the bottom. Whoo, it's gonna be good. All right, I got one of my meat probes. I'm gonna insert it into one of the turkey breasts, into the thickest part. Being careful not to hit a bone. And we ought to start getting a reading on the temperature of the internal. All right, it's telling me on the gauge over there that this thing is currently at 134 degrees. We are trying to take this old bird up to 165. When that happens, we're gonna pull it from the grill. I'm gonna get a little bit of this butter I got down in the pan. We're gonna give it a little dab. The skin is still gonna be crispy and delicious. This is just gonna give it a glow. We're gonna give it another hour. We'll see you then. So I'm back after 30 minutes to just check on the internal meat. Temperature is 147. We still have a ways to go to get to 165. It'll be there in 30 minutes, guaranteed. Now, if you'll excuse me, I gotta get back in the kitchen. I'm doing my famous mac and cheese. And oh yeah, you know it's going on the smoker as well. I'm back out here at the cooker. The bird is at a temperature of 161. We're gonna give it a few more degrees and then we're gonna pull it. I did crank the unit up the last 10 minutes to 300 just to firm that skin up. And there you have it, folks. It's gonna be on. I'm gonna let this thing rest about an hour. It's time to go to my mom's for Thanksgiving. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Come on, let's go.